Hello, my crafty friends. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room and to a flip through of this travel journal. So there was two process videos for this journal, and I will put the link to the playlist in my description box, and you can see what work I did on video. But as I said, this is for my youngest son and his fiance. They bought a camper together, and so they've started, they have two dogs, and they like the idea of, just being able to take off for the weekend and not, a little trip or whatever to the beach, to the mountains or whatever, and not have to worry about getting somebody to watch their dogs, and, also not to have to stay in a hotel room and all that sort of thing, all the pros of having your own camper. So I wanted to get this. They just got it like a couple months ago, but they've already gone on a few trips testing it out, and I wanted to get this done before Christmas, but just time wasn't there before Christmas. So here it is right after Christmas. I tackled it and got it done. So, and as I said, it's a basic journal. They've never done junk journaling before, so made it basic and like a starter junk journal. So as you can see, I made the cover. If you saw the process videos, this is an old cover that I had, and I recovered it with cardstock, this green, and then layered the layers here. So I think it turned out really cute. I have a little piece of ephemera up here, and this was an extra piece, Get Outdoors, and I love this little journaling card here with the car and a little camper there. And then I added this and the rickrack, and it's, bound with the coils. Here's the back, that same paper with a little strip of red there. I ended up putting on here, and a little piece of ephemera there that says Happy Camper. And isn't it cute? It looks like something you find in a gift store, I thought, at a, like in a park. I bought a photo album at the Grand Canyon State Park one time when we were there, and it wasn't anything like this, but they do have things like that in gift stores at state parks. So anyway, I thought it just looked came out very cute, very kind of professional looking. Not that I was going for that. I just did my thing. But let's get started on a little flip through here. So I've got a pocket here with, and I did this on video. I did put a strip right here. I added that after the video. Extra security there, and drilling card here. And this is a pocket where I put a drilling card. This one here, it looked like a postcard to me. Like, really, it looks like a vintage postcard. I've had some postcards like this with this kind of finish, and it looked just like those, or pretty much just like those. I did put some paper. This is some resume paper I put on the back that had a pinkish hue. You can see a little bit of the design that was on the card through the paper, but I think that just makes it even more pretty, and then he or she can write on there and do whatever they want with that. I just put a few ingredients and light decorating here. So I put this piece here, and it is a little belly band, and I put a drilling card in there, again backed, so they can know that that is a place where they could stick things if they want. And then I left a lot of blank pages for putting in their goodies. They like to go, so far they've gone to 2 or 3 campgrounds already, so they like to go to a campground. And so they might have, I don't know, tickets, or I don't know some kind of receipts and things from the different places they go, and maybe there's some little stickers or something, so, and then they'll have pictures and they can write about it. This was, used a few of the branding strips, as many as I could in here. Here's one here from this, it was the Echo Park collection kit that was, let's see, it was this one right here. Let's see, which one was it? Hold on, I'll tell you in a second. No, it wasn't Call of the Wild. It was this one, Outdoor Adventures, it's called. And I used this Frames and Tags ephemera kit in here too. But I have a few of these. I used a lot of these pieces, but whatever I had left, I put in with this. So anyway, this is, manuscript music paper. You've got ledger here. This is a piece from the collection, Echo Park collection kit. All the scrapbook paper is from there, except for I might have used a couple pieces from an authentic, also like camping related scrapbook paper kit that I had. So this is the Call of the Wild little, that was from a branding strip. And there's no digitals in here. Everything's original scrapbook paper or papers I've collected. These are a couple little receipts so they can get the junk journal effect of things that you can use to write on. So these are vintage little receipts. I've got a decorated paper clip, you know, just to give them an idea and, you know, see if they use it. If they use it, they want another one. I do want to make them another one for their honeymoon, but hopefully they'll get the idea with this one. So this is a guest book page, and the word guest was right here. It has pretty blue lines on it, so I put an ephemera piece right here. It says hiking trail, and this has a little pop-up camper on that side. It said guest too. Not that I had to cover up the guests or anything. Actually, I've never done this before. I've used this paper many times in different journals, and I never covered up the guests word there, but this time I just thought that was so cute with this little pack of ephemera that I had, and I was looking for places to use it, so I did use it some there. A little baby rickrack right here. You can see the wide open spaces for things. Here's another branding strip on this ledger paper. Just lots of writing room and room to do whatever they want. This is a pocket here. So in the pocket, I put a few of the pieces of ephemera from the ephemera I was using. There's a frame here. This is a frame you can put down somewhere and put a little whatever in there, write in it, put a picture in it. And this is also a frame. This can be punched out, used as a frame, or used as a whole, or two pieces separately. But Home Sweet Trailer, it says. And then this is also a little tuck spot right here. This piece of ephemera I left open here so they can, and I put this little piece of ephemera in there, Back to Nature, so they can see that that's a little tuck spot. And then just some pretty paper. I love the scrapbook paper. This is a branding strip here. It says Back to Nature. Lots of paper. This is a postcard. I have a little set of like travel related postcards, and so I put one in here. Music manuscript paper again, and lots of writing papers. This is the piece with the bobbers and the lures, fishing lures on it. Here's fishing poles on this side. Graph paper, just some pretty note paper. Another branding strip here. This is my removable divider page that I put in these wire bound journals. So I put one in here for them with a little piece label that they can write on. I made a few tabs with some of the ephemera. There's one here, and this is the paper with the shooting star. So I did it like this. You can see the shooting star right there. That's the back of that. Branding strip here. Here's our Forest Ranger, Smokey the Bear type paper. It came in that kit. A map here, really cool. Oh, I didn't realize I put a piece of paper in here that matches this. Look at this. It's got this green squiggly on there. And this, it really matches the green in this map. That's cool. I didn't realize I did that. Graph paper here with another branding strip. This is cars and trucks and things pulling campers. This is a piece of a branding strip, I believe, here. Another tab right here. Wait a minute. Oops. Tried to glue that together. Music manuscript, and there's a little piece of ephemera here I left as a tab. And then this is a pretty pennant, scrapbook paper, pennants and signs and things. Here I put a frame. I did put a frame down here so she could see how to use the frames, and so that she could see that this is open at the top. I put a piece of ephemera. This was actually in here So I just put it like that, this, so she can see, like, oh, she can put something in there. She can put this back in there. She can put a picture in there, whatever she wants. Here's another piece of the guest paper where I, guest book page, where I put a piece of ephemera there that says camp, and this says camping and fishing. I think that turned out so cute. Another couple pieces of ephemera that so she can see, you can use random things from wherever. This is a little post-it fax note and a blue Rolodex and a piece from a little calendar, a little book calendar that was in a book. It says diary planner right there. Got all those lines you can write on. So that is fun. Just some fun little papers. And another decorated paper clip. Here I've got a little corner pocket with some deer. This was a sticker in that kit, that Echo Park scrapbook paper kit, and a few of the pieces of ephemera that I had turned into, went ahead and put some ribbons on and made them into tags. That's this National Park Service, and it's got bears on there. This one says Happy Campers with some more bears. And then this is a little station wagon loaded down with all their camping gear. Cute. This one has yarn on it. They have 3 different ribbons on these, so they can get the idea of, putting fun ribbons on things. And then next page. This is a really pretty page here. All that Echo Park, in case you don't know, the Echo Park paper is double-sided. And this is a little piece of ephemera here. It says camp on this music paper. Graph. This is a bridge score sheet, and I put a little piece of ephemera. This had bridge or whatever it said up there. And this is a little piece of ephemera that pretty much fit there perfectly. This little fish. So it looks like he's going for a worm there. But I thought that was really cute and looked really good right there. So I put that there. Some more rickrack on this page. This is an uptuck. And in here I put a little piece of ephemera that I backed also, so they can write on here. But it's this little journaling card. That was one of the cut-aparts in there. That's super cute. I love that little yellow camper. And then that was the last page. This is Back to Nature here. This was we did this on video, where I put this little side pocket here. And in here is 2 journaling cards. This one's backed with file folder. And this one's backed with that same resume paper. It's a little pop-up camper. And this is a Winnebago. I think that's so cute. I love both of those too. So, and I added this on video. These were stickers. And then you saw the back, and that is it. So I'll let you know, if you want me to, how they proceed and how they use it. I hope they will show me once they go on their next camping trip, or maybe they have some things that they've saved from their camping trips they've already gone on and they don't know what to do with them. Here you go. They don't know I'm making this for them. So here they can pop them in here and have a little, they're all their memories of they're getting married in April, so they can have their memories of their life starting out together, and it will be right in here in this cute little journal. So let me know what you think and how you like this. This kind of like more basic, very lightly decorated beginner, I'm going to say beginner journal. I think it's super cute. I love it. I would love a journal like this myself, whether you're experienced or a beginner. I think everyone would like a journal like this. So anyway, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.